What if the secrets to unimaginable wealth, forged in an era of industrial titans, hold the key to your digital fortune in 2026? Imagine principles that built empires a century ago, now exponentially more potent in our hyper-connected age. We're talking about Napoleon Hill, whose relentless pursuit of success transformed millions. His insights, born from interviews with industrial giants, laid a foundational blueprint for achievement. This blueprint finds its most fertile ground in the decentralized landscape of the internet. This isn't just history, it's a prophecy unfolding, a whisper of power guiding us towards an undeniable future. At the heart of Hill's philosophy lies a concept so revolutionary yet profoundly simple. The mastermind Hill defined it as the coordination of knowledge and effort of two or more people in harmony for a definite purpose. This isn't just teamwork, it's a synergistic alchemy where collective intelligence far surpasses individual parts. Historically, powerful individuals gathered, charting industries. What happens when you transpose this principle onto a global stage, where geographical boundaries vanish and collaboration happens at light speed? The potential isn't just amplified, it's practically limitless, a gateway to building something monumental. Fast forward to 2026. The digital economy isn't just an adjunct. For many, it is the world. Freelancers, content creators, e-commerce entrepreneurs all operate within a vast interconnected web where ideas travel instantly and scale globally. This is precisely where Hill's mastermind concept finds its ultimate modern expression. Imagine harnessing collective genius, not for building railroads, but for crafting automated sales funnels, developing groundbreaking digital products, or scaling an online service. The goal isn't just active income, it's the holy grail of passive revenue, flowing whether you're working or not. This isn't a pipe dream, it's a strategic imperative for financial independence. The very attributes of the digital age, its speed, boundless reach, inherent complexity, make Hill's framework not just useful, but essential. In a world saturated with information, distractions, and fleeting trends, the clarity and concentrated power of a mastermind group provides unparalleled advantage. It cuts through the noise, offering a focused collective intellect to navigate challenges, identify opportunities, and execute strategies with surgical precision. Where individual effort might falter under information overload, a well-formed mastermind acts as a force multiplier, accelerating progress and fortifying resolve. It's the ultimate antidote to stagnation, a beacon of collaborative genius. So how do we practically tap into this ancient wisdom for the digital frontier of 2026? How do we identify the right minds, forge powerful alliances, and translate collective ambition into tangible, automated income streams? This journey isn't about magic. It's about method, discipline, and a profound understanding of human nature and digital dynamics. We're about to peel back the layers of Hill's genius, dissecting the core tenets that enable the mastermind principle to flourish in online entrepreneurship. Prepare to unlock a paradigm shift, a blueprint for leveraging collective intelligence to build your legacy, one passive income stream at a time. The path to your digital fortune begins now. Beyond the ephemeral trends and fleeting algorithms of our digital age lies ancient wisdom, a blueprint for success etched in the very fabric of human ambition. Napoleon Hill, a century ago, unveiled these timeless pillars, principles resonating precisely in the hyper-connected 21st century. His work, Think and Grow Rich, isn't a relic. It's a living manual for the digital entrepreneur. Consider the first pillar, definiteness of purpose. In a world saturated with information, amidst constant distraction, a clear, unwavering objective is your digital North Star. It's not merely wishing for passive income by 2026. It's meticulously defining that income, visualizing products, automated funnels, and your exact niche. Without this laser focus, you're a ship without a rudder, adrift in the vast ocean of the internet. Then comes faith, not blind adherence, but unshakable conviction in your digital dreams' attainment, despite plummeting analytics or shifting algorithms. It's the entrepreneur launching a SaaS platform, knowing its eventual success despite initial setbacks. It's belief your unique value proposition cuts through noise, a quiet certainty fueling relentless iteration and adaptation. And how do we cultivate such conviction? Through self-suggestion. This isn't wishful thinking, it's deliberate subconscious programming. Imagine daily affirmations of your online empire's growth, visualizing e-course launches, seeing testimonials. In the digital realm, where imposter syndrome can be a silent killer, self-suggestion becomes your mental firewall, reinforcing your capabilities, silencing doubt. But perhaps the most potent and most enigmatic of Hill's principles for our era is the mastermind alliance. This isn't just networking, it's a strategic convergence of minds, a synergistic collective intelligence. Think of the early PayPal mafia, individuals collaborating intensely, founding LinkedIn, YouTube, Tesla, SpaceX. Or consider a modern DAO where diverse experts pool knowledge for shared goals. For the digital entrepreneur aiming for significant passive income by 2026, a mastermind alliance is your secret weapon. It's a carefully curated group, a marketing guru, tech developer, content strategist, or financial expert, all united to elevate each other's digital ventures. Not competition, but exponential growth. Through shared wisdom, problem-solving, and mutual accountability, they challenge assumptions, amplify strengths, fill knowledge gaps, transforming individual effort into a force multiplier. In online wealth creation, a mastermind provides diverse perspectives and collective horsepower to navigate challenges and seize opportunities no individual could alone. It's ultimate collaborative intelligence, a crucible where ideas forge into digital gold, preparing for practical application in robust digital strategies. These aren't quaint historical anecdotes. They are the DNA of sustainable digital success. By embracing definiteness of purpose, cultivating unwavering faith, programming with self-suggestion, and most crucially, forging a powerful mastermind alliance, you unlock a path to not just survive, but thrive, building significant passive income by 2026. The mystery isn't if these principles work, but how profoundly they transform your digital destiny. The true alchemy, then, begins when these ancient principles converge with the boundless opportunities of the digital frontier. Imagine a collective of minds, each bringing a unique skill set and perspective, all aligned with a singular, definite purpose: to transform abstract concepts into streams of passive digital income. This isn't mere brainstorming. It's a strategic alliance, leveraging the exponential power of shared intellect to navigate the complexities of online entrepreneurship, turning potential into profit with precision and speed that no single individual could achieve alone. Consider the creation of digital products or online courses. A lone creator might struggle with market research, content development, or platform selection. But within a mastermind, one member might be an expert in market validation, another a gifted instructional designer, a third a wizard of digital marketing. Together, they can dissect an idea, refine its value proposition, build a robust curriculum, and launch it to a targeted audience, all while mitigating risks and accelerating the path to revenue generation. This collaborative synergy doesn't just build a product. It builds a fortified, market-ready asset. The same transformative power applies to the world of affiliate marketing, often underestimated but immensely profitable when approached with collective intelligence. Instead of individual trial and error, A mastermind can pool resources for advanced analytics, identify emerging niches with high conversion potential, and collectively test different offers and traffic sources. This isn't just about promoting products. It's about strategically positioning yourselves as authorities within chosen domains, leveraging each other's networks and insights to scale campaigns far beyond what isolated efforts could achieve. If you're finding this concept as revolutionary as we are, hit that like button and tell us in the comments, what digital product idea would you bring to your mastermind group? Take the hypothetical case of Nexus Innovations, a mastermind group formed by a former software engineer, a content strategist, and a financial analyst. Their initial goal was to create a subscription service for AI-powered productivity tools. The engineer built the prototype, the strategist crafted the compelling narrative and marketing funnels, and the analyst ensured the pricing model was optimized for recurring revenue. Within months, Nexus Innovations wasn't just generating revenue, they were scaling globally thanks to the combined foresight and problem-solving capabilities that allowed them to anticipate market shifts and pivot with agility. Their success wasn't an accident, it was a deliberate outcome of their collective genius. This digital alchemy isn't a myth, it's a methodology for those ready to transcend traditional limitations. It's about understanding that the greatest wealth in the digital age is not just in individual brilliance, but in coordinated intelligence. To truly unlock the blueprint for turning these discussions into actionable income streams and to discover how to build your own robust framework for digital wealth creation, we highly recommend exploring the insights shared at https://millionairepartnership.com, webclass de 28 F. Jorge Nascimento Santos. It's a resource designed to provide the specific strategies and frameworks necessary to apply these mastermind principles directly to your journey toward generating substantial passive income online. The journey to digital freedom, as we've explored, isn't a solitary trek. It begins with forging your mastermind alliance. This isn't merely about finding people. It's identifying individuals with complementary skills, unwavering ambition, and a shared hunger for growth. Seek those who challenge assumptions, celebrate victories, and provide honest feedback. Your digital mastermind is a crucible where ideas are tested, refined, and forged into viable strategies. Consider online communities, professional networks, or driven acquaintances. The synergy created is exponential, multiplying your potential far beyond what any single individual could achieve. This collective intelligence becomes your compass. Once assembled, the true work begins. Establish a clear, definitive purpose for your group, echoing Hill's foundational principle. What specific digital wealth goals will you collectively pursue? Set a regular meeting schedule, weekly or bi-weekly, to maintain momentum and accountability. Each session needs a structured agenda. Share progress, discuss challenges, brainstorm solutions, and assign actionable tasks. This disciplined approach transforms abstract aspirations into concrete steps. Imagine collective brainpower dissecting market trends, uncovering untapped niches, or optimizing digital product launches. Diverse perspectives converging on a single objective, leveraging unique expertise, accelerates progress. With your mastermind functioning, identifying high-potential passive income streams is the next crucial phase. This is where collective genius truly shines. Brainstorm ideas, niche digital courses, high-value ebooks, advanced affiliate marketing funnels, SaaS solutions. Each member brings a unique lens to market analysis, spotting hidden opportunities. Vet each idea rigorously. What problem does it solve? Target audience? Competitive landscape? How can automation ensure true passivity? The mastermind provides creative spark and critical scrutiny, transforming promising concepts into robust, scalable digital assets, significantly de-risking your ventures. Yet cultivating realistic expectations is vital. Digital freedom, though attainable, is rarely instantaneous. It demands consistent effort, relentless learning, and unwavering commitment. Expect setbacks, plateaus, and moments of doubt. This is precisely where your mastermind's resilience becomes invaluable. Your group serves as a crucial support system, a source of encouragement when motivation wanes, and a collective problem solver. Understand that building passive income is an iterative process of experimentation, refinement, and scaling. Celebrate small victories, learn from every failure. Financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. The digital landscape is ever evolving. The principles unveiled today, from Hill's timeless wisdom to modern digital alchemy, offer a potent blueprint. Your digital mastermind isn't just a concept. It's your tactical advantage, your secret weapon for ultimate freedom. Don't let these insights remain theory. Take the first step. Identify allies, define your purpose, commit to the journey. The power to transform your financial reality lies within your grasp, amplified by your chosen few. If this deep dive has ignited a spark, ready to unlock your next level, subscribe now. Hit the notification bell. Join our community as we decode the mysteries of true digital sovereignty. Your future self will thank you.